Welcome to today's class. We want to see how to solve this question we have on the board. The question says, find the square root of 17 plus 12 sub 2. Find the square root of 17 plus 12 sub 2 without calculator. Without calculator. We know that with calculator you can package it well and calculator will tell you the answer. But they say without calculator, how do you get it? What you now do if you have this type of question is, you say, they say get square root of 17 12 sub 2. Now, square root of this, say it is equal to square root of A plus square root of B. Okay? Then, what you now do is that, you remember in mathematics that when you have square root of maybe x equal to y, and they say if you remove this square root and write only s, it means put power of 2 to the other side, you'll be having s equal to y squared. So we use that principle and apply it here. We'll remove this square root and write only 17 plus 12 sub 2. When we have this, we have removed the square root sign, then it means that we will put power of 2 to the other side of the equation. You put power of 2. So as you put power of 2, why you put power of 2 is because you have removed square root from the other side of the equation. Then, how do we expand this? We now say, to expand, we have square root of A plus square root of B, bracket square root of A plus square root of B. We are expanding. Square root of A times square root of A, you have A. Square root of A times square root of B, you have square root of AB. Square root of B times square root of A, you have square root of AB. Square root of B times square root of B, you have only B. So correcting like terms, you'll be having A plus B plus, these are the same, 2 sub AB. So what you now do here is that you now say this is equals to, expansion of this will give us A plus B plus 2 sub AB. Then you now say 17 plus 12 sub 2. 17 plus 12 sub 2 will give you this. Then from this, we say, let us package it well. This means 17. Then once you have 12 sub 2, this 12 sub 2 is something as, carry this 12, put it inside. Now, on putting this 12 inside, you have to multiply it to itself. Multiply it 2 times. 12 times 12. Why you are multiplying to itself again is because you are bringing it inside the square root. Then you now say times 2. 12 times 12, 144. 144 times 2, 288. Then you'll be having here to be square root of 288 equals to, then you now say A plus B plus, carry this 2, bring it inside. When you have 2 sub AB, bringing this 2 inside the square root will be giving you 2 times 2, then times AB. 2 times 2 will be giving you 4. 4AB. So what you'll be having here is that it says square root of 4AB. Okay? So this is packaged this way. Then we now say that 17 will be equal to A plus B. Then 288 will be equal to 4AB by comparison method. Having this way, you now round up by saying, okay, that I have A plus B equal to 17, then 4AB equal to 288. You know that this is equation 1, equation 2. You have to solve simultaneously. Then you know that this equation 2, you can also reduce it again by dividing everything by 4. this divide this 72. You now say a plus b equal to 17, then ab equal to 72. Because this divide this will give you 72. Then what you now do is that from equation 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. You say from equation 1, we have that a will be equal to, the b will go the other side, 17 minus b. Then you substitute, put 17 minus b as a in equation 2. We say put 17 minus b as a in equation 2. Look at your a, we remove it and put 17 minus b. Then times what? B equal to 72. Then what do we have? B times 17 is 17b. B times minus b square equal to 72. What do we have here? We now say collecting lighter or pushing everything to the other side, we'll be having minus b square to the other side will be giving you b square. 17b to the other side will be giving you minus 17b. Then 72 will remain where it is, plus 72 equal to 0. You factorize. When you factorize, you will be having minus 8 minus 9. Yes, minus 8 minus 9 will give you minus 17. Minus 8 times minus 9 will give you plus 72. Remember, we got it from factors of 72. You just say factors of 72. Factors of 72 are, you start from 1, stop at 72. You write other one, 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 4 can divide, 6 can divide, then 8 can divide, 9 can divide, and so on. So we pick 2 factors from factors of 72. We pick 8 and 9 because minus 8 minus 9 will give you minus 17. Minus 8 times minus 9 will give you 72. Why we put minus here is because the equation is minus plus. So when you have minus plus in quadratic equation, the 2 factors will have minus. Then b is the alphabet we are talking about. This is equals to 0. Then in conclusion, we say b minus 8 equal to 0. It implies that b equal to 8. Also, b minus 9 equal to 0. It implies that b equal to 9. You have gotten your b, the 2 values of b. Since you have 2 answers as values of b, it means that your a will also be in 2s. So for b equal to a, b equal to 8, it implies that from a plus b equal to 17. If b equal to a, if b equal to 8, it means that a will be equal to 17 minus 8, 9. Then from a plus b again equal to 17. If b equal to 9, it will also tell you that a equal to what? 17 minus 9, 8. So if you are taking, so when you come to that equation which says square root of a plus square root of b is the answer to this question. We wrote this at the beginning of this question. So we say square root of a plus square root of b is how the answer will be informed. So what you now do is that what is your a? When you say that your a is 9, you put, then what is the equivalent value of b? B will be what? 8. When you say that a is 8, b will be equal to what? 9. Any of these two can be put. Put 9 here as your a. It will be giving you that square root of 9 plus square root of what? 8. That will be giving you 3 plus 2 surd 2. Or you say, you use the second one. What is your a? 8. Square root of 8 will be what? Square root of 8 plus square root of 9 will be what? 3. So that will be giving you 2 surd 2 plus 3. Please, in mathematics, 3 plus 2 sod 2 is the same thing as 2 sod 2 plus 3. Why? This is because addition of numbers are commutative. If they say 3 plus 2, it's something as 2 plus 3. That is what we mean by addition of numbers are commutative. So that tells you that square root of 17 plus 12 sod 2 is equivalent to square root of 17 plus 12 sod 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 sod 2. Square root of 17 plus 12 sod 2 is equivalent to what? 3 plus 2 sod 2. So if you press this in calculator, it will give you the same answer that this will give you. So that is how to solve question on this, square root of this without calculator. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click like button as you enjoy the question.